Hello everyone, my name is Matt Rogers and I'm here to tell you about a resource I helped to put together using a tool called Symbaloo. If you're like me at all, you bookmark a ton of pages but can never find the bookmark you need when you need it, whether it's for a class that's coming up or during a professional development time. So this tool called Symbaloo is a visual organization method for your bookmarks. What's really neat about it is we're going to push it out to all of your computers to be your home page on your Safari browser. So if you use Safari right now, it'll pop up automatically. If you use another browser, you can change your home page to the Symbaloo page as well. But the idea is that you'll have all of the major resources you'll need through this page. So let's jump into it. If you open your browser, as I mentioned, I'm going to use Safari since that's what we'll be using. It is pequevalley.symbaloo.com. And what you see is this page, and this is what you'll see every time you log in. Now, as we make changes, say different programs are included or what have you, the different icons will change, but it should be fairly visually appealing or familiar if you are familiar with the Apple suite or even the Android suite. You have the different app icons, and we'll talk about how they work as well. Along the top, you have the Pequea Valley logo, and you can create your own account or log in. That's not necessary for how we're using it today, but in the future, if you feel like Symbaloo is a great tool that you could use with your class, you might want to create an account and log in for future use. There is also a side tab, but that doesn't really help you do too much right now unless you're creating your own. But as I mentioned, down here is our main area. And I hopefully organize things in a way that you can access easily. All this is a click on my item that it will take you to a website of your choice. So if I wanted to go and see my pay stub, there's a specific tab that I'll click on to pull up that website. While Cassandra does a nice job, I always have to search for that email. So this is a quick and simple way that's always there for you. Along with the Smart Exchange items that you can download and use for other assessments and instructional tools, and our different subscriptions. So I'll click on one and show you how it works. So say if I have a tech issue or maintenance issue, over here I have my friendly school dude icon. If I click on it, it'll open up in a new tab and bring me to the login page. And when I'm in this login page, I just type in my information, add the issue that I'm having, hopefully it's a small one, and I'm good to go and sent in. If I had another issue where I wanted to see the PFAS information, I can click on the PFAS icon or tile and go and sign in and access all of my information. Pretty simple, but I want to talk to you about how it's organized. In the top row and area, you have all of your major icons, and this is the top left, but you have your Pequea Valley homepage, your Moodle page, the Sapphire page, PDE, SAS, and PVOS. You also have PV Intranet when we need to get to our important forms or other things on the homepage. School Dude, hopefully you're not sick often and taking just lots of cool conference trips, but when you need a sub, ASOP, and the employee portal. On the other side, we also have some subscriptions through the Power Library, our DRC eDirect, LFS Engaged Ed, Smart Exchange, as I mentioned earlier, Pearson, etc. Down below, we have some other icons of our instructional tools with our students. We have the Achieve 3000 suite, Alex, MyAccess, Culturegrams, First in Math, MemBeam, which is a vocab builder, Discovery Ed, and Safari. And on the final bottom right-hand side, you have your cloud-based storage, Google Drive and Dropbox if you use them, Socrative, Google Apps for Ed, Khan Academy, iTunes U, ClassDojo, and Scholastic. And as I mentioned, when you click on them, say we'll do Alex, it'll take you directly to the home page so you can log in and get started with your different activities. So that's the main page. As things progress, we're going to be adding certain things to these toolbars, other websites that we feel are important for everyone to have. Potentially each different building or grade level will have a different page, but for right now, here are your core resources that you'll be needing for hopefully this upcoming school year. If there's anything that you would like to be added, feel free to let me know at matt_rogers@pequevalley.org, or if you just want to let some of Rich on the executive team know, and we'll make the adjustment. Hopefully this is helpful, and enjoy.